Hi guys, so I got this mini brands Fill the Fridge for my birthday, so I'm going to do a unboxing. So it comes with some minis, and the fridge has like an LED so you can cure the resin. Okay, so that took forever, but here's what it looks like. It's got a really pretty blue color. And here's the back. So here's the bottom. I'm guessing it's like a freezer. So there's 2 small drawers, 2 big ones, and a mystery bag. And in the top compartment, there's the light and some more mystery bags. We have some instructions. And a checklist. Let's open the mystery bags. In the first one, we have a Olipop strawberry vanilla soda, a scoop for ice, and a fridge magnet. That's a watermelon. In the next bag, we have a pudding mold and one of those like thingies that you put on top of food. Then we have I'm guessing this is the resin. Here's what it looks like. And then we have a pair of blue tongs, and then another mystery bag. In this one, we have 3 mini orange slices. Here's what they look like. And then a plate. And this is the last mystery bag. Of a bunch of shelves for the fridge. So here are all the shelves. I'm gonna go put them in the fridge. Okay, so here's the finished product. I'm gonna go add some of the food. So we have the Olipop soda. Put that on the side. And then in the freezer, we can put the ice scoop in one of these drawers. And then I'm gonna go make this pudding. Okay, so here are the instructions. We just put in the resin, add the fruits, put more resin, and then cure it in the fridge. And then put it on the plate. Okay, now so it's about like halfway full, so I'm going to add some of the oranges. Or I'll just use my hands. Then I'm going to finish filling up with the resin. Okay, so here's how it looks, and I'm going to go put it in the fridge and let it cure. So to turn on the UV light, we have to switch this switch. And here you can see it's a UV light now. So let's put this up there, and I'll be back in a few minutes. It is done curing now, so I'm gonna put it on the plate. Here's what it looks like. You can see the oranges in it. And then there's the cap. So overall, I think this fridge is worth it, and it's good if you want to store all your mini food. And I know there's also like the mini capsule balls with tiny food, and I think those are so cute. So they would also fit really well in your mini fridge. So yeah, I would recommend it, and thank you for watching.